FBI's highly intelligent officer knows that respect only gets when we gives, but everyone wants them to get respect, and for that a simple rule is to you also respect them. But if then also people are not respecting you, then what you can do? So for that we will give you 7 tips from which you can everyone make yourself respect, because respect always gets from earning it. So number 1 is say it with your words, prove with your actions. Once in an interview someone asked from Sir Ratan Tata that why you not in richest list like Ambani's, and he replied very humbly that Ambani's are businessmen and Tatas are industrialists. Our aim is to make this world in a better society, not to fill our pockets. And if this line is said by Vijay Mallya, you guys will be laughing. But it's said by Ratan Tata. He has started his values, which is all because of his actions. Tata and Sons has given employment to 5 lakh people, and during pandemic they donated 1500 crores of rupees. And because of this there's huge respect of Ratan Tata, because when he speaks we can see also from his actions. But in today's day-to-day life people used to say a lot but not do any actions or realistic works. That's why their family, friends or partner used to not respect themselves. That's why our actions and our words must match, so worlds get to know who are you and what capable of. People also very respect you from this quality. Now number 2 is don't apologize when you don't have to. Dear friends, apologizing again and again is not a good way, because it makes your personality soft. And if you says sorry again and again, then you seems as weak person. Or also whether it's not your mistake, then also you say sorry because of others person to feel good. But from this other person will not respect you, because it becomes your personality to make others happy and yourselves weak. So from now you don't have to say sorry at 3 points or situations. Number 1, where it's not your fault, where you have control. And number 3, never change yourself for others, because your personality only makes you unique. Now number 3 is make yourself a priority. There is a rule hard to target in this. You have to keep yourself on first priority and never be available for everyone. You become a type of person who remains alone and not properly available for others, and you ignore people and focus on your goals. According to economics rule, less supply is equals to more demand. When you will ignore them, then you can have a great demand of yourself, and people gets attracted towards, because they like only people who keep their self on priority. People also respects them. Now number 4, ask more question and listen well. Have you ever been with some kind of people with whom you do communication and they in between say that yes I know, actually they try to show that they know better than you. If person do like this, then you get irritated and you lose the respect for him, because according to psychology our minds never accept that person who is not smart but tries to be. So always listen everyone patiently, whether you know about it or not. Respect their decisions and ask a question from that. It will help you in gaining your knowledge plus respect of that person. Number 5, treat others people the way they wanted to be treated. We should always treat others like we wanted to be treated. This rule is known as platinum rule. In psychology, according to this, focus on the things when you do communication that what other persons wants. It's not necessary what to do things your own choices by which others may not be happy, as you should must make a win-win situation where both can be in advantages, so people also will respect you. Number 6, don't always be likable and do what's right. Respected doesn't mean people will like you. Many people assumes it wrong. It's a myth. If you want that everyone to respect you, so for that you must know how to feel it. It's not must that they will like you or applause you. Sometimes they shout on you or talk rudely, but still they used to respect you or talk with a smile. It's all because of your great gesture and nature. So due to these tough decisions, they will definitely respect you. Number 7. Practice self-respect. Know your individual rights. So at last, its very main and important point is that respect yourself. Then only others will respect you, because respect only gets to those who are deserving. But how it get decided? That's who want fake respect and actual respect. Well, it has a easy answer, that who earns respect, they respect themselves by having good confidence and self-esteem. They know that what they are doing and why they are doing. They have a high level of self-control and they know what they want in life, what they can achieve. You can say this by just saying them, what they are eating or wearing, how they talk or they take care of their mind. That's why we all respect them. By all these 7 points, they gain respect. So hopefully you guys will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.